The season's juiciest peaches diced up and tossed with red onion, cukes, jalapeno, garlic, and fresh cilantro. It'll make your next summer Maine taste even better. Time for fresh peach salsa. We want you to remember to make this delicious homemade salsa recipe the next time you need to add a little something something to a summertime main course. Here's how to make it. Let's begin as always by giving the fresh fruit, veggies, and herb a quick rinse. Then over to your workstation, we're gonna chop up peaches, baby cukes, red pepper, red onion, and a few other things. Chopping and dicing the various ingredients for this homemade salsa recipe is the tough part. But once you get that out of the way, here we go, everything into a medium-sized bowl. 2 fresh peaches diced, half a red pepper seeded and diced, 3 baby cucumbers diced, half a red onion finely diced, 1 jalapeno pepper seeded and diced, 2 cloves of garlic grated, and then a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro finely chopped. The next step is to season the salsa. Squeeze in the juice from half a lime, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon granulated sugar. Give the salsa a gentle but thorough toss. Give it a try, then add more lime juice and salt to taste. And that is it. Enjoy it with chips, maybe a grilled meat main, or how about this? Spooned onto a barbecued fish fillet. It is your summer main course game changer. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. Please subscribe to our website when you're visiting. Look for this video and tons more on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And then finally take pictures of all the delicious food you're making. Then post them on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage when you do, on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Fresh peach salsa. Gets my taste buds dancing every time.